Why invest in Tesla stocks? Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about why you should invest in Tesla stocks, and here are some of the reasons you should make the purchase today. Number 11, the amazing business culture. Business culture is everything. From the beginning, Tesla's made it clear that its main objectives are moving forward swiftly, accomplishing the goals that appear impossible, always innovating and thinking like they own. There's a confidence level that comes with thinking like the owner, and that's a company you wouldn't want to miss an association with because of how lofty their goals are. They needed to create these objectives to ensure that everything they set to achieve is accomplished. Show me one person who wouldn't want to be associated with a combination of bold ambitions coupled with sober and sane responsibilities that challenge them to think like they own an empire. Number 10, no advertising costs. If there's a cost that all big and even small companies must set aside, huge amount of money for it is advertising. Luckily for Tesla, that word doesn't appear in their budget. They have embraced the concept of word of mouth, which over the years has proved to work for them. Going by what was stated on their last annual report, the company stated that they have successfully managed to take advantage of media coverage over time and believe they will continue to do so. Still, in the same report, they also acknowledged that those methods of word of mouth are one of the major reasons their sales are shooting up by the day. It must be nice to achieve sales without traditional methods of creating product awareness. Teach us your ways, Tesla. Number 9, technology is quite advanced. The thing with businesses, comparisons must be made. After all, everyone wants to be the best, and it appears Tesla's products are crashing this category. Model 3 and all its electronic components were recently dismantled by Nikkei Asian Review. The complex circuitry discovered within the car astounded the engineers of a Japanese business newspaper. The central control unit is what stood out the most. Of the engineers from a rival unnamed company admitted that his business could not do it, Tesla's was too advanced. With the correct programming, the systems already in place for Tesla vehicles have the potential to reach complete self-driving capabilities. On a scale of 0 to 5, Tesla is hands down level 5 autonomous driving. These features are currently at level 2, which means that a complete and alert human driver is still relevant. Other car manufacturers aren't looking to reach this level till 2025, which means Tesla already has quite the head start. According to Nikkei, the other firms are bound by long-term contractual aspects that make it near impossible to radically change the supplies of their vehicles, being relatively new to the industry. Tesla doesn't have this problem. Number 8, Gigafactory still in progress. The world's largest lithium-ion battery factory belongs to Tesla and is located in Nevada. The second one, located in Buffalo, New York, manufactures photovoltaic modules and solar cells. More of these factories are set to come in Shanghai and Berlin, returning to the battery-making concept. Because the future is electric cars, more of these factories are bound to come up. According to the company's CEO Elon Musk, it would take about 100 battery-focused gigafactories to manufacture enough energy storage to allow solar cells to replace all other kinds of energy generation. Number 7, Cybertruck. Tesla had the opportunity to join the light truck industry by putting electric engines into a Ford F-150 or Chevrolet Silverado chassis. This was not the case because the Cybertruck is designed to look nothing like any of these models or any other old pickup. According to Elon Musk, they wanted to create a more superior version that goes against all the rules about how the product should look like. He added that it needed to be unique, like something that came out from a set of a future movie. Number 6, impressive cash cow. Tesla's Model 3 enables the company to dramatically scale up its manufacturing operations, reaching never-before-seen economies of scale while also generating substantial cash flow. The future Model Y and Cybertruck vehicles are expected to amplify this effect, allowing Tesla to maintain its rapid revenue growth while also increasing its cash flow. Number 5, growth know-how. Back in 2017, Tesla sold 101,000, making more than $11 billion in revenue while burning through cash at a rate of $4.1 billion in negative free cash flow. 2 years later, Model 3's lower price enabled Tesla to achieve a total of 367 units delivered in that same year. The company's revenue almost doubled to $24.6 billion. The company also generated $1 billion in positive free cash flow. Musk stated that the company's growth is unmatched. Tesla is also selling faster than any they produce. In October 2020, the company announced 139,300 deliveries, and this was higher than what they delivered the previous year, which was 112,000 in a single quarter. They also beat Wall Street's prediction, which was 137,000 deliveries. Number 4, the secret master plan. Okay, the plan is not so secretive, it's more of an open one. 2 years before the first vehicle was produced, the company's CEO wrote a 1,300-word document titled The Secret Tesla Motors Master Plan. Some of the things mentioned in the plan included construct a sports automobile, use the funds to construct a low-cost vehicle, He used the funds to create a less expensive automobile. All these sound so familiar, right? This is because Tesla managed to accomplish these plans 10 years later. Back in 2016, the Super CEO published another plan, which he dubbed Master Plan Part Deux. This also contained goals for the second phase. Some notable bits included create magnificent solar roofs with smoothly integrated battery storage, expand the product portfolio to address all main segments, develop a self-driving capability that is 10 times safer than manual driving, and allow your automobile to generate income when you aren't using it. As we speak, the company is halfway through this list. It appears the company always ensures its goals are met. Am I the only one excited for the next part Musk will put together? Number 3, making positive impact. Tesla has always been big on ensuring sustainable energy. According to the company's site, Tesla is at the forefront of the world's inevitable transformation toward a sustainable energy platform as the world's only fully integrated sustainable energy enterprise. The company also hopes to save thousands of lives by outfitting its cars with fully working self-driving technology along the road. Very few companies care about people, which is why no one would resist the opportunity to associate with them. Number 2, not your ordinary car manufacturer. The opening sentence on Tesla's investor relations website states that the company's objective is to speed the world's transition to sustainable energy. The description further explains how electric automobiles assist the company to achieve its most important purpose. Simply put, and this may come as a shock to most of you, Tesla is first and foremost a renewable energy company and only secondarily a car company. Tesla's automobile generate about 80% of its total income, but it's a diversified corporation that allows investors to participate in a diverse spectrum of new and developing technologies with a single stock transaction. The company develops and produces its own battery systems, solar technology, supercharger stations, vehicle service centers, and self-driving software and hardware. According to Elon, the Tesla brand is home to more than a dozen enterprises. And at number 1, manufacturers of Best Car 2020. For a company whose priority is not primarily to manufacture cars, to win such a title only means that the only way for them is up. The Tesla Model 3 was voted the finest electric car available in 2020 by Consumer Reports. That's amazing given the company's earlier success, which prompted a slew of competitors to develop their own electric vehicles, including Nissan's Leaf and General Motors' Chevy Bolt. Additionally, IC Cars, a used car market, discovered that a new Model 3 retains its value better than any other vehicle. Ford Ranger was second, selling for around 11% less than its original price on the used market, while Model 3 sold for 5.5% less. Elon Musk argues that Tesla is in the process of ensuring that their cars appreciate in value. This will be interesting to see given that all cars depreciate in value over time. If the company manages to achieve complete autonomous driving, then this aspect will surely fall in place. There's no doubt that Tesla has been an excellent investment up to this point. Tesla went public in 2010 for $17 per share and is currently worth more than $684 a share. However, past performance is not a reliable predictor of future growth. Is Tesla still a good investment? It sure is. Coupled with all these other factors, the company also aims to manufacture 20 million cars in the next decade. This could potentially make the stock price go higher. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.